A very good morning to all my dear students. I again welcoming you all on the online classes. So today we will take lesson number 12 of your English reader book, Mother's Love. Lesson number 11 I will take at the last. Okay. So first we see the new meaning that is given in the last of your lessons, meaning of new word. So the first word is decorated. Decorated means made beautiful, कोई भी चीज़ को सजाना. Expensive, costly. Christmas Eve, the evening before Christmas Day. Stockings, socks. Afford, to be able to pay. पे कर पाना, किसी मतलब देना. Sledge, स्लेज ए व्हीकल ट्रैवल ऑन स्नो, जिसमें सेंटा क्लॉज आते हैं गिफ्ट देने के लिए बच्चों को. रेनडियर, ए लार्ज डियर. रैप्ड, covered. Okay, so this is a story about a little girl and her mother, and because of this Christmas Eve and Christmas celebration, Christmas festival, this little girl wants a new gift, not a toy or anything, a new gift for her. So what is the story is all about? Let's see. Mother's love. Okay, so it was Christmas time and a season for celebration. So Christmas festival is going on and everybody is celebrated this festival in so much ease and so much happiness. Okay, there was happiness and excitement all around. Happiness, excitement, everybody is happy and so much excited to get the present by Santa Claus and thinking about it. Okay, everything looks so bright and beautiful. Everything looks so bright and beautiful. So the lighting are there, decoration is going on the street, the house are decorated with lights, beautiful lights, candles they are hanging it outside the house and inside the house. Christmas trees are there. Okay, houses were decorated with stars and little lamps. The streets looked colorful. The street colorful लग रहे थे and the houses were decorated with stars, little stars made by the papers and the plastic paper, and with the stars and little lamps. They were full of nice things for everyone. So they are full of nice things for everyone. Means everyone is enjoying seeing this everything. The lightning is there, so much brightness is there. So everything is like full of nice things for everyone. People were buying clothes, toys and gifts for their loved ones. So there are so many people are shopping for the Christmas Eve, for gifting the toys and so many things to the family members. Okay, everywhere children talked about the celebration they were going to have at Christmas. So every children is talking about the celebration, how they celebrate the Christmas and how they give the gift to their loved ones. Okay, so they are discussing about it and they also talked about the Christmas present. So this is the main thing that the children are so much curious about the Christmas present that the Santa Claus came to give them, and they were going to receive from their near and dear ones. Okay, so all the gifts they are giving and exchanging from one to another person and give the gift, and after when you will get the gift on your birthday or surprisingly you get the gift, you are so much happiness. That happiness is also is with these children. Okay, so they are discussing about how they celebrate this Christmas Eve and how they will get the gift and how will they going to receive the gift from their near and dear ones and how they give the gift. Like this the discussion is going on. Everybody, everywhere the peoples are buying clothes, toys and gifts. The streets are looking nice, the houses are decorated with stars and lamps. Like this the Christmas celebration is going on. Okay, hope you'll understand the first paragraph. Now see here, a little girl is standing near the Christmas tree. The shops are there, the peoples are buying the clothes and home items, gifts. this year, see here, this is the little girl, and she is thinking about what who will give the gift to her, because she is poor and no, not belonging to a rich family, not having so much money. Okay, now see here, my aunt is going to give me a gold watch. So one child is talking about that said Anne proudly. So this Anne, one child name is there. My aunt is going to give me a gold watch. So his aunt has promised that I will give you a gold watch, and I am getting a Barbie doll for sure, Jessie said. So Anne and Jessie are talking to each other. So Anne will get a gift as a gold watch in Christmas Eve, and Jessie will get the Barbie doll. Okay. Now Mary looked at them sadly. So this girl, okay, have you seen this girl? This girl name is Mary. Okay. So Mary looked at them sadly. She had neither rich parents nor rich aunt could give her expensive gift. So she is belong to a poor family. She is not having such money or any rich aunts or rich parents she have, so they can give her any expensive gift. So no rich aunts and no rich parents is there with her, so they will can give the expensive gifts to Mary. So she was a poor girl. She lived in a small house with her mother. So whom she was living with her mother. Her mother worked very hard to send her to school. So her mother is working very hard to spend money on his education most of the time, and she has no money to left to buy the things that this Mary want on Christmas Eve. So soon it was Christmas Eve. There was a Christmas tree in every house. So every house they are keeping the Christmas tree and decorated with lights and candles and shining balls and some pigeons, small pigeons, these toys. Okay, so the trees were decorated with stars, lamps, and there were gifts for all. So in the Christmas trees in surrounding, when the peoples are keeping the Christmas tree in their house, inside the house, they are decorated the Christmas tree with the lights, gifts, and around this Christmas tree they keep the gifts, so they can give their loved ones. Okay. So the smell of freshly baked cake and cookies filled the air. So the smell you have seen, and you have eaten also. In the Christmas Eve, the peoples are sharing the cakes and the cookies. Cookies means kind of a biscuits that is it is a very soft texture. When you eat it, it is very nice, giving the nice taste and flavor. But in Maria's house there was no Christmas tree, there were no cakes and cookies. So Maria is a poor girl, and she is living with her mother. Her mother is working very hard to give Maria a good education, so that is why no money is there. So in her house no Christmas tree is there, no cakes is there, and no cookies is there. Okay. Now come to the next paragraph. See here, now Maria is dreaming about the Santa Claus here, and the gifts are there. So many gifts are there, and she is thinking about the Santa Claus will come to her house and give a nice gift what she wanted. Okay. Now see here, on the night before Christmas, all the children hung up stocking at the end of their bed and went to bed early. Stocking is a kind of a socks. They are hanging near the Christmas tree, and they are hoping that in that stocking, in that socks, the Santa Claus will put some gifts, and they will get the gift when they wake up at the morning. Okay. So at the end of their bed में वो socks को उन्होंने लटका दिया and went to bed early. जल्दी सोने चले गए because they think the Santa Claus will come and give gift to them. They believed that Santa Claus would come and stuff the stocking with gifts. तो वो stocking में वो gifts को stuff means पूरे अंदर डाल के उसको fill कर देंगे, ठीक है. Maria also wished that Santa Claus would leave some present for her. So Maria also wishing that Santa Claus would leave some present for her. That we see in this picture that Maria is thinking about the Santa Claus and the gift. Okay. So here Maria also wished that Santa Claus would leave some present for her. She did not want toy or watches. Okay. So she did not want any toys or watches to wear it. She wanted the pink frog she had been seen in a shop window. तो उसने एक दुकान में पिंक फ्रॉक देखी थी, वो पिंक फ्रॉक she want. Okay, so she wanted a pink frog, not a toys or watches. When she showed it to her mother, so at times when they are in the market, Maria showed this frog to her mother, and she said that I want that frog. So her mother said, be a good girl and you will get everything you wish for. So what her mother said, आप एक अच्छे लड़की बनो, अच्छे बच्चे बनो, तो आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा जो आप चाहते हो. So be a good girl, you will get everything you wish for. But Maria knew that her mother could not afford it. So Maria knew means Maria जानती थी कि उसकी माँ ये सब कर नहीं पाएगी, क्योंकि उसके पास उतने पैसे नहीं थे that she will spend on that frock and she will gift that frock to Maria because Maria mother is so poor. Okay, so now come to the next paragraph. Perhaps Santa Claus could bring her what she wanted. So what Maria thought, that Santa Claus मेरी wish को ज़रूर पूरा करेंगे, what I want. She thought and left a note for Santa Claus by her bed. तो उसने एक नोट लिखा, एक कागज़ में लिख के रखा कि ये मैं फ्रॉक चाहती हूँ, और ऐसा लिख के उसने बेड के साथ में उसने उस नोट को छोड़ दिया साइड पे, एंड देन शी गो टू स्लीप. That night she dreamed that Santa Claus came riding through the snow in an open sledge drawn by reindeers. तो सेंटा क्लॉस हमेशा रेनडियर्स जो होते हैं उसको ड्रॉ करके, मतलब ड्रॉन करके उसको खींच के लेकर आते हैं. स्लेज एक टाइप का एक गाड़ी होती है जो बर्फ़ में चलती है, उसके चक्के नहीं होते, उसमें स्लेज एक पतली सी रॉड नीचे लगी रहती है. सो ए व्हीकल ड्राइवन ऑन स्नो. So what this Maria dreamed? She dreamed that Santa Claus came riding through the snow. स्नो से राइडिंग करते हुए स्लेज में आएंगे, और वो स्लेज के कौन खींच रहा होगा? रेनडियर. ओके. That he entered in the house at midnight and placed a gift by her bed. So सेंटा क्लॉस क्या करेंगे? उसके हाउस में आएंगे आधी रात में, और एक जो गिफ्ट वो चाहती है, व्हाट द गिफ्ट शी वांटेड ए पिंक फ्रॉक दैट शी सॉ इन दैट शॉप. ओके. एंड प्लेस ए गिफ्ट बाय हर बेड. हाउ आई विश द ड्रीम केम ट्रू. So now the Maria thinking that what I am thinking, that Santa Claus will come and give me a gift. So Maria said to himself, now see in this paragraph, Maria said to himself that she woke up on Christmas morning. So Maria खुद से कहती है कि कैसे ये होगा, it's not true, जो what I dreamed is not, it will not come true. Okay, so without much hope she looked if there any present by her bed. तो उसने ज़्यादा उम्मीद नहीं लगाई, फिर भी उसने देखा कि हो सकता है, मे बी इट इज़ पॉसिबल डैट सेंटा क्लॉज विल गिव हर ए गिफ्ट to her. Okay, so she is searching by her bed, and what a wonder, there was a box wrapped in colored paper. So what she saw? A box wrapped in a colored paper. It means the Santa Claus came and gave a nice gift to Maria. So she quickly opened the box to what was in it. So उसने ग्रैब किया, बॉक्स को हाथ में लिया और जल्दी से उसको खोला. She could not believe her eyes. उसको बिलीव नहीं हुआ वो जो देख रही थी, शी कुड नॉट बिलीव हर आइज, वॉट शी सॉ इनसाइड दैट बॉक्स, शी कुड नॉट बिलीव हर eyes. So what she saw, now see here, it was the same pink frock, it was the same pink frock she has seen at the shop window. She touched the frock to see if it is what real. तो उसने क्या देखा उस बॉक्स में कि वो वही पिंक फ्रॉक थी जो वो चाहती थी। तो उसने उस फ्रॉक को टच किया, कहीं ये सपना तो नहीं, क्या सच में ये फ्रॉक है। इट वॉज एज सॉफ्ट एट सिल्क, वो उतनी ही सॉफ्ट थी सिल्क के जैसे। एंड हाउ लवली इट लुक, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही प्रिटी, बहुत ही सुंदर लग रही थी वो फ्रॉक। व्हेन शी टुक द फ्रॉक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स ए पीस ऑफ पेपर फेल डाउन, तो जैसे ही उसने फ्रॉक को बॉक्स से निकाला, एक छोटा सा पेपर जिसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ था वो नीचे गिरा। देयर वॉज समथिंग रिटन इन इट, मारिया रीड इट, उसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ था, मारिया उसको रीड करती है। यू हैव बीन ए गुड गर्ल, सो दिस इज़ माई गिफ्ट टू यू, तुम एक अच्छी बच्ची हो तो ये तुम्हारे लिए गिफ्ट है। लव सेंटा क्लॉज, बहुत प्यार से सेंटा क्लॉज की तरफ से। ओके, now see here the last paragraph. How do you like the gift? Now her mother came there. How do you like the gift from Santa Claus, dear? Her mother asked as she walked into the room. तो उसकी मदर जब रूम में आती है, मारिया से बोलती है, सेंटा क्लॉज ने जो तुम्हें गिफ्ट दिया है कैसा लगा। इट्स द बेस्ट गिफ्ट in the world. Thank you, Mama. You are a wonderful mother, Maria said. So we all know that the Santa Claus is not given the gift. The gift is given by the Maria's mother. So the Maria know that who has given the gift. So she thanked her mother. That thank you, Mama. You are a wonderful mother, Maria said. And you are a wonderful child, her mother said. कि तुम भी बहुत ही प्यारी बच्ची हो, उसकी मम्मी बोलती है। एंड डैट वॉज द बेस्ट क्रिसमस मारिया एवर हैड, और ये मारिया का सबसे अच्छा क्रिसमस ईव था, सबसे अच्छा क्रिसमस गिफ्ट था जो मारिया चाहती थी। सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द लव बिटवीन ए मदर एंड हर डॉटर, एंड हाउ वाई दिस डॉटर वॉन्ट a gift, what she like, and how her mother fulfilled his dream by giving a gift that her daughter want. So this is the love between a mother and a daughter, and how the Maria keep patient. She know that her mother could not afford to buy that gift, but she not give a stubborn look, और उसने बिल्कुल भी ज़िद नहीं करी, बहुत अच्छे प्यारे बच्ची की तरह रही। एंड दैट इज़ वाई हर मदर गिफ्टेड ए गिफ्ट टू मारिया। So hope you understand the lesson. If any doubt is there, you can ask me and message me. Thank you, student.